Okay, here's the second one. Wire goes in to the door. Close it. Oh wait, I'm going to pull this out a little bit. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to do it like that. Close the door. A little bit of goop. Make sure that's sitting up, and I'm going to put the wire in through all the way. And I'm going to tighten this down. All the way flush. Okay, I'm going to close it. And so everything is connected. The two wires, low voltage wire and the wire from the light, are connected in the connectors. And I'm going to turn it on, and it doesn't work.